just love the dynamic dog dating app. I put my dog on there, Mr. Webkins, and he now has a girlfriend. It's very resourceful, it's very effective, a great app.
Dynamic doggy dating is a great website because my dog signed up and they found their match the same exact day.
And I've been using doggy dating for all of my dogs. I got this dachshund, founding partner, come here. Her dog's my partner, Chuck and Norris. And Mr. Webkins loves Chuck Norris. Well, anyway, our dogs found each other, and now they share their bones, and they're just so happy, and I'm really happy.
Dynamic doggy dating has completely changed my dating life. I mean, all my life I've been seeing such handsome, good-looking dogs out there, and I was like, how am I going to be able to date all these handsome dogs? And now, finally, with this app, I am able to. Wait. This app was for dogs, wasn't it? Ah. Yeah, my dog loves that app. Sure. Yep. Absolutely. I'm Miss Wallach, and Kim Ortiz approves this message.